spent 6 months applying to hundreds of jobs. Know how many interviews I got? 4. My success rate was sadly 2%. And I kept thinking, what's wrong with my resume? What's wrong with me? Turns out, nothing. I just needed an updated strategy. Here's what changed everything. I stopped applying to jobs I was qualified for and started only applying to jobs where I was in the top 15% of candidates. What does that mean? It means I meet at least 80% of the requirements, my experience directly matches the role, and I bring something unique they actually need. I set hard filters, things like location, expertise, and salary requirements. If a job doesn't check my boxes, I don't waste my time. So instead of hundreds of applications, I applied to 20. But here's the crazy part. My interview rate jumped to 40%, 8 interviews from 20 applications. Just being qualified is not enough. When you're competing against hundreds of people, you need to be in the top tier, not just meet the minimum. How I'm beating competition? I built an AI agent that searches job boards and only shows me roles where I'm a top candidate. It took me 30 minutes to set up using ChatGPT, and now whenever I want, morning, noon, whenever, I just run it.